Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the Bright Update today. And yesterday I talked about the retest, which is known as dirty retest, and that dirty retest has pretty much happened right now. So if we go back on daily time frame, you can see that this was a huge move back up very quickly. You just made one very big move to the upside, right? So we had a technical target almost down to 0.0056, and then you couldn't really touch the target, but in the middle you just made a nice good surge to the upside, and now you're actually looking to just come back up and touch 0.1335. Okay, so dirty retest is happening right now, and I've talked about the whole detail in yesterday's video, and it pretty much perfectly played out. So you have the sideways descending triangle, you broke down, you came up, and the reason why you came up here is because when you broke out back 2 days ago, you didn't really backtest to fall down, and that actually causes the retest, which is known as a dirty retest. So basically the main idea is to come up and touch that line, get rejected, and then maybe fall down, or actually just climb back in and then continue to go to the upside. There's one bit of a pattern that I will talk about, and I'm going to tell you what the next scenario really is. If I take the trend line and you notice this, you do have a break that has already happened. So a sideways movement, almost like a V-shaped recovery, and then a move to the upside. So you might actually touch this trend line and try to move up. So technically speaking, it's a little bit technical here. It's a little bit tricky, but I'm going to explain. Now, understand this, that you have this resistance, right? So if you smash through that resistance and you go back into the triangle again, then you are supposed to come up to 0.12, or at least to the upper part of the triangle itself, because of this V-shaped technical target which pushes it up here. But also at the same time, you are restricted right at this price. So the summary here is going to be that if you cross 0.1 and you break inside the triangle again, then you're moving higher to that technical target. Otherwise, be careful, you might just get rejected here and go down right there. But smash through it, then you go up. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.